Hello everyone! Today I actually just want to show you what I have done during the first few days that I learned Python. Python is a popular programming language and it could be used to make apps. It's really cool. Meanwhile, I have made a project called iBloxd. It's actually a mixture of I Spy and word guessing. This is my app. It looks like the app we started with, the Guess the Number game, but it's actually just a mixture with it and it's really easy to make. I just use my creativity and these are really fun. It's Guess a Word game. This was inspired by a game that I always play nearly every day. It is called Bloxd.io. Here. It's like Minecraft, a multiplayer blocks game that goes in infinite worlds. And you can travel in different dimensions too. You can mine, explore, and create. Do anything you want in this game. It could be yours, it could be sharing, it could be playing, it could be attacking, it could be killing, it could be survival, it could be anything. It's really cool. There are also a bit of ores that I really want to tell you, and they're really, really, really cool. Here. There are also illegal items that I got, but actually they're not really cool. Let me show you how this game works. When you start this game, you might see this. It's just like I Spy. It says, "Welcome to the iBloxd game." I blocked with my smart brain something that begins with the letter M. You have 10 chances to guess the word. Good luck. So you can enter 10 guesses about the letter M in the game. Maybe lots of you don't experience about this game, but you can actually change all the words above or change the name, anything. So that's how you play it. Let me show you what the code is. So first code is import a random word, and all the words are inside here, but they're limited words until now, so later, I'll update it later. So this is a word, the random choice is here, inside the words. So the letter is equal to word 0. That means, for example, like block a word, the first word is called 0, like just the numbering. So here's the word 0, that means the first letter of the word, and the app will say it out. So here, your guess is equals to 0, that means you haven't guessed yet, and the computer will narrate and tell you what to do. And this is a while loop I taught last time. It's like a really cool loop. While the guesses are smaller than 10, that means you haven't guessed 10 guesses yet, then it will say input, enter your guess, and then you can enter your guess here. And finally, this whole thing is a loop, so I had to add one guess. So here's another useful thing. It's an if-else function, 2 if-else functions. They're like if, else if, and they're probably nearly the same. So if your guess is equals to the random word, then it'll print you guess it right, and break you don't need it. Or else, that means if it's not, you got it wrong, then it'll print, sorry, you guessed it wrong. If guesses are still smaller than 10, then the computer will say when you have how many guesses left, and try again. Or otherwise, that means the guesses is equals to 10 or bigger, then it'll print you have no more guesses left. You lose, because that's how the game works. And the word, it'll say back the word. So this is how my game is so far. Thank you for everything. Goodbye.